Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you some interesting things related to appointment processing in mobile app. So in our mobile app we can check appointment history for specific customer. Let's go here, and here we can update the filter. And we see the list of appointment of that customer. We can also charge travel time of each employee in the app. So let's go to any of the appointment here which is in process. And first we need to press depart here from the menu. We should select the staff member here, and here we should specify the time of departure. Let's put 9:45 a.m. So now it creates a time entry from the point of time that we set. And now on log tab we see that we have a time entry when it started to track time, so at 9:45 a.m. And on the details tab we can see that we have now a travel line that was automatically created, and now it's in process. So when we arrive on site, for example, we can create an express receipt directly here on this appointment. We can specify description, expense item, amount, project task, billable, etc. And when we arrive on site, we should press arrive here on the menu. Here it automatically insert current time, but we can also modify it. And save this. So now the time entry is created and is completed in the log. We see that it's completed here, and on the details tab we also see it's completed. Now let's look at the piece of equipment we are working on. So here it tells me which equipment I'm working on. So here we go to target equipment. And here we can check the target equipment history, and it will tell us whether we already worked on this equipment in the past. And also I can check individual components here. For example, which were already disposed, which are still active, etc. And here we can also see warranty information, if it's still valid or not. Okay, so let's go back here, and here we have section about notes, and we can start recording some information about the condition of the unit, test results, and plan for correction. We can also even take a picture of the unit that we are working on and add this picture to this case. And for example, if you found out that you need to add some additional components, you can simply press here the plus icon at add items, and we can specify filters here. For example, to show only components that are available on your truck, or if you have access for other trucks, you can choose any of them. All right. And for example, if we need to add item which needs to be purchased first, I can simply go to purchase order section and mark it for PO. And here we can choose PO source, either purchase to service order or purchase to appointment. Alright, and finally, when I need to complete the appointment, I can press complete here, and it marks all items here as completed, and it also updates the log, so it's completed also here. Then I can create a preview report here, so it can be shared with the customer or with your employee. And actually you can customize this report based on your wish, on your needs. So currently it's showing the travel time, service time, who has done the work, staff member ID, and etc. And it shows total at the end of the page. We can also ask customer to sign the report. We can simply press sign report from this menu, and we can sign it. And here we enter full name, and here we see that the report was generated in PDF, and after that we see that a new button appears, so it means that we can email this report. to the customer, so that they have their own copy of the final signed document. Also, we have an option to create a prepayment here. And if you, for example, have some credit cards integrated here, you can use it. Or you can take a check from this customer and you can record a check number and amount.